Hello, people, and welcome to my channel Inspo Vibes with SK. Thank you for subscribing, for liking and sharing, and all your beautiful comments. Keep them coming because I love them, and I read each and one of your comments and I try and reply to it. So, don't forget to share your thoughts at the end of this video as well. Today's video is dedicated to Nandita. Obviously, the name has been changed. This one person who taught me a very beautiful secret in life, mostly professional but also applicable in my personal life, and that is staying calm in the face of any crisis. And over the years, as the biryani cooks and tastes better and better, so with practice over the years, I have gotten better and better at it. So here goes the secret. So when I was just starting out in my professional life, there was this lady, Nandita, and she was like a rock. Any situation, any crisis, you can go and say anything to her. She will stand there steady, strong, like a rock, unfazed, and say, all right, so if this is the situation, so what? Let's look at it. What all are the problems? What all is in our hands? What can we do? And let's focus on that. And every time she would turn around a crisis to our advantage. And whether the problem was solved in a day or took longer, the most important thing was we all went back feeling safe that you know what, we have parked the problem with Nandita and it's going to be sorted now. All will be well. Remember that Three Idiots when they say all is well, all is well. So it's something similar that we used to experience whenever we shared with Nandita. So when I was moving out of that organization and I had a conversation with her before going, she said, so Sukhwinder, how was it? How was working here and anything that you want to ask me? And I said, yes. Apart from everything else, please tell me the secret of your this rock solid steadiness and calmness. No matter what happens, how come you always remain so unfazed and you are so unrattled and settled? So she smiled and said, wow, you cut through all the frills and have come down to the core. Very good. So I'm going to tell you, what do I do whenever I'm faced with a crisis? I look at it and I don't see it as a crisis. I see it as a series of actions and events that somewhere triggered something that went wrong or not as per plan, and therefore we are in a spot. So, what is it that we can do? We can start doing the track back to see where is the issue or the bug and fix it. However, that is very mechanical. Anybody can do that, right? But the most important thing is the mess that happens here. All other mess at the workplace can be sorted, but if this gets messed up, you are never going to get sorted. So, how do you keep this spot, this brain of yours, and this presence of mind about you and your wits about you? And that is to look at worst case scenario. And I was like, stunned. Wow, is it that simple? No, 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 it can't be. It has to be something more profound than that. And I said so to her, and I said, Nandita, come on. It has to be something more than simply this. So she said, you will be surprised. The most complex things that we think in life are actually some of the simplest truths. We just have to look at them and believe them. So, the secret of staying calm in the face of any kind of crisis or stressful situation is to think in your mind, what's the worst case scenario? What's the bottom line? If this worst case scenario is something I can handle, everything else is better than that. And that's what gives you the calm. I know what's the worst that can happen. and I can deal with it. Therefore, everything else, a cakewalk. And so, my friends, I would like to share with all of you today this secret that I got from one of the most amazing, powerful women, Nandita, is how to stay calm in any crisis, personal or professional. Look at the worst case scenario and see, can you handle that? If you can, everything else will just be way within your control. So stay calm, stay cool, and always be the rock steady support to everyone around you in your personal life and your professional life. If this video made some sense to you, somewhere connects with you and resonates with you, don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the bell icon. It lets you know every time I post a new video. And do share your comments. Share this with the others around you, and let's spread positive vibes, inspirational vibes, and keep watching every Wednesday a new story on this channel, Inspo Vibes with SK. Till we meet again next Wednesday with yet another story, this is SK signing off. You take care, be safe, adios, and bye bye.